is a 1/2" dowel, and we're just going to take some crazy glue, put a little crazy glue on the inside, and we're just going to set that there. We're going to pound that in a little bit. There you go. Now we're going to drill a little pilot hole. Now we're going to take the ball that I bought at the 99-cent store, and I did drill a hole just to guide it through. But once you guide it through, and we have a washer that's going to secure this in place. The wood dowel, tighten that up like that. We'll take a little duct tape and we just cover that. I will put a little bit of tape. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Another hitting surface is we're going to use a piece of PVC, that same rod, and I put a little bit of Vaseline on the rod. Now we're just going to hammer. It's 1/2" PVC. I would just take a piece of foam from the 99-cent store, apply that like that. We're going to put that up here like this, there. Super fast. This one's a little bit bigger piece. This is 3.5 in diameter, a little bit bigger hitting surface. Just used the same rod that has the wood dowel in it, and I drilled a hole the same size as the rod. Then we just take a piece of swim noodle, pool noodle from the 99-cent store, slide that over the middle, and take the end that has the wood dowel. Then we just tighten up the screw into that wood dowel. Take our foam, slide a piece there. And smack, smack, smack. That's a slip bar. When you get it, it'll look just like this. It'll have a piece of foam covering the spring. This will all be bare. You can put your own foam from the 99-cent store. You can cover it however you want. You could make your own hitting surface. Just make it simple. Make it fun. Let you be creative.